Cobb-Douglas production function problem. Here is a problem appeared in UGC NET on Cobb-Douglas production function. Assume that the rate of technological advance is 1.5% and both labor and capital grow at a rate of 2%. What is the output growth if labor share of income is 3 times as high as capital's share and there are constant returns to scale? Options: A 1.5%, B 2%, C 3%, D 3.5%. Though we have solved similar problems earlier, the present one is slightly different. In course of our discussion, you will understand it. Well, I have been giving a full-length discussion on similar problems. But in answering multiple choice type of questions, you must develop the skill of giving the answer in a few seconds. So, I have done away with the lengthy discussion and going to offer the technique you are supposed to follow in the examination. First, understand the problem. We have to calculate output growth rate. Then, state the formula. It is delta Q by Q equal to delta A by A plus alpha times delta L by L plus beta times delta K by K. Delta Q by Q, it is output growth rate. We have to calculate. Delta A by A, rate of technical advance, it is given 1.5%. Alpha, labor share of income, it is not given. Delta L by L, growth rate of labor, it is given 2%. Beta, capital share of income, not given. Delta K by K, growth rate of capital, it is given 2%. If we know the value of alpha and beta, we can easily solve it. Calculation of alpha and beta is where this problem differs from the earlier ones. Good. We shall go ahead. Make use of the statement labor share of income, that is alpha, is 3 times as high as capital's share, that is beta. We shall have the value of beta as x. Then the value of alpha is 3 times x, 3x. From the statement there are constant returns to scale. We can understand that alpha plus beta equal to 1. Substitute 3x for alpha and x for beta. Then 3x plus x equal to 1. Solving this equation for x, 3x plus x, 4x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 4 or 0.25. It means the value of beta is 0.25. The value of alpha is 3x equal to 3 times 0.25, 0.75. Alpha is 0.75. We have all the values. Substitute them in the formula. Delta Q by Q equal to delta A by A 1.5 plus alpha 0.75 times delta L by L 2 plus beta 0.25 times delta K by K 2. On simplifying, we get 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 0.5 equal to 3.5. Output growth rate is 3.5%. This is the answer. In solving such problems, follow these 4 steps. 1. State the formula and examine whether the values are given in the problem. 2. Calculate the missing values if any. 3. Substitute the values in the formula. 4. Arrive at the correct answer. Our discussion ends here. We shall meet in the next session. Vanakkam.